Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Wix for a while now in 2026, but you are suddenly going through a problem. Your SEO isn't updated. Well, in today's small tutorial, I'm really gonna show you on how to actually fix this type of issues, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of this. We're gonna go all the way to look for Wix.com, this website builder. Tap on this profile, then they're gonna take you to another page where you should usually log in using your email address and password. After this, make sure your website is fully published. By tapping on this design side, then wait for the website editor until it fully opens. It's basically just some seconds. Okay. And there is basically preparing your site. You will be able to see the publish button here. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the publish button. SEO basically, I keep saying basically. So as I told you before, SEO changes do nothing until you hit publish. So if your website isn't published yet, don't worry, just hit publish and check your settings. As for now, you can also clear Wix SEO cache by going to the page SEO settings that I'm going to show you right now. We're going to go all the way to settings. I'm going to go to SEO settings, make sure you do some changes, then tap on save again. Then check the page indexing, make sure the basics are alright. For example, we're going to go to menu, we're going to tap on edit here. Okay, make sure everything is looking good, then hit publish. And that's basically it. If you still have some problems within the website, you can also contact the Wix support, let them know what's going on, and they're gonna help you. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.